Hey there, I'm Kevin, and welcome to Guilty Tuesdays. This is where we steal and break down popular cinematography techniques from popular video creators. I'm going to try something different this time. I'm going scriptless. I just feel very unnatural when I'm reading.
Today we're gonna learn to color correct like Matti Haapoja.
Matti generally color corrects it.
I never learned how to skateboard.
There's two steps of color in video. There's the correction and then there's the grading. Color correction is just fixing the lighting in each shot. One shot might be overexposed and the other might be underexposed. But what is the optimal exposure, you might ask?
It's called the zone system.
The zone system ranks from 0 to 10. 0 being pitch black, and 10 being pure white. Everything else should be in between. So if you bust out the Lumetric scopes in the editing program of your choice, you will see your footage represented in a waveform. Now bring your shadows to a 0 and your highlights to 100. And your midtone depends on whatever is in your shot. There's a link in the description box to a chart that you can reference for this. Color grading, on the other hand, is to change the color of a video. And why should you color grade? Because you can use it to complement your story and help set a mood. Now, if I apply color A to the picture, it might seem warm and lighthearted. Versus if I applied color B, it might seem more cinematic. Depending on the current color of your footage, all you would have to do is shift the color to the opposite side of the spectrum. Opposite sides of the color wheel make a complementary pair. But an easy way to avoid all this is to use LUTs. LUTs stand for lookup table, but you can think of it as a filter. Just drop it onto the footage and you'll have a cool color. Well, depending on what story you're trying to tell. If you want to learn more about how Matti Haapoja color corrects, he actually has a course on Udemy where he teaches cinematic color grading. On the off chance that Matti is watching, hi. Hope you learned something from this video. Hit the like button if you like the video, subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in the next video. Take care.